Hello and welcome everyone to part 23 of the FJ45 restoration series. So as you saw in the previous episode, we mounted the bed of the truck back on the truck and also we repainted the whole truck again. And as you can see, we applied this special coating for the bed liner that we're gonna use. Now in this video we're gonna start by cleaning the bed and then applying the bed liner that we're gonna use. And also, hopefully, we're gonna be painting the decals that we talked about in the previous episode around the bed. And after that's done, hopefully we can get to assembly. So let's get started. Okay guys, so we reapplied this special coating as well. It got thin in some areas, it was also dirty and there's some paint over it. So now we got everything ready. We're gonna wait for it to cure. Then we're gonna start applying the special bed liner. So this is the stuff that I was talking about. It's the same stuff that we used on the interior as sound deadening. It serves a lot of purposes, including, well, being a bed liner. It can also be used as sound deadener, heat shields, whatever you want. So now we got this thing and we're gonna start laying it down, taking some measurements, and by measurements I mean cutting the excess. Then gonna heat it up and stick it down. Okay guys, so now we got everything cut down. Now we have these pieces that we're gonna stick on the sides of the bed. All we have to do is to heat them up and stick them down. Okay guys, so as you can see, we've done applying the bed liner on the bed of the truck. We still have a couple of sides, this one and over there. We ran short on the bed liner stuff, so we're gonna get some of those. Now we're gonna start by applying these, which are the decals that we're gonna use on the side of the bed, which are just some layouts printed on A4 papers. Now we're gonna start by gluing them on, drawing the patterns that we're gonna need, and then we're gonna spray them on. Okay guys, so as you saw, we finished laying down the decals and stuff that we are going to paint. And as you can tell, it's gonna look awesome. Now all we have to do is wax and grease, remove everything, and then throw on some paint. Shoo-wee! Look at that beauty over here. As you can tell, guys, we got this side of the bed finished. The decals and stuff looks amazing. Still have to do a couple of touch-ups here and there, but it's fine. It's flawless. All we have to do is do the touch-ups and throw on some clear coat. Now we're gonna start by doing the other side. We're gonna tape up what we have in mind. So it's also mirroring of the other side. It's gonna look awesome. So now let's get started. Now we're gonna start on this side. We're gonna take the same measurements that we took on the other side, so it would be symmetric as possible. Now, okay. 2 fingers over here. Yep. 3 fingers down. Brand new. Okay guys, so as you can tell, we got the patterns laid down. All we're gonna do now is spray on some beauty. Okay guys, so as you saw, we finished painting the decals on the side of the bed and the paint job turned out flawlessly. Now we're gonna be unmasking and peeling off the patterns and the tape, revealing the beautiful side of the bed. And if you remember, folks, this bed was junk and it turned out to be beautiful. Probably the most beautiful FJ45 bed around the whole world. Okay guys, so we peeled everything and we also got everything ready for some clear coat, which we are gonna throw on right now. Finally, the FJ45 is done. Now this is the final product that you're gonna see on the outside. This is how the FJ45 is gonna live the rest of its life. Beautiful as hell. Now, still have a couple of things left to do, like the door of the bed, and also we have a lot of assembly left, along with the interior. We got special upholstery seats and stuff, and also some electricals around the truck, like the headlamps, tail lights, and also the cluster. Now, this is gonna be the end of this video. Hope you find it interesting, and well, you should. It's awesome. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe, like, comment down below. See you on the next one. Peace.